Want to know the easiest way to get that cool barnwood look on your wall? Let me show you how. This week I am making over my son's room, and I thought it would be really cool to do a feature wall in his room of a barnwood look. So I am so excited to be working with Weekend Walls for this video. They sponsored this video, sent me their awesome product, and we are going to put it up on the wall behind his bed. It's going to be a feature. It is going to look awesome. So this is the easiest stuff to use. I cannot wait to show you. It is a peel and stick product that goes straight up on the wall. So that's what we're going to do today. Let me show you how to get started. I use my laser level to make a straight line across the wall. You can start anywhere. Start wherever is a comfortable height for you for that first row of boards. All you do is peel off the paper and then stick the boards on the wall, keeping your line straight. And then after that first row is up, we just make the boards flush together. You can't even see the wall through the seams, and we just get going. The really nice thing about these boards is they are cut in all different sizes already. There was no cutting that needed to happen at the beginning here. And it is real wood, it's not plastic. It's real barnwood that has been cut. The boards are all really different, so it's really easy just to pick random boards and give it a really natural looking pattern. We're just trying not to line up the seams, but that might happen a few times. It won't be obvious when the whole thing comes together. One of the awesome things I love about these boards is they have put black paper on the back anywhere there is a knot. So here the knot has fallen out, but all you see is the black paper. So you're really not seeing the white wall through these boards. It saves a step because painting the wall a gray or something like that isn't really necessary. So I love that they did that, and they did cover all of the knots. So if they ever fall out in the future, you're not going to get a hole right in the middle of your wall. This stuff is really stuck on there good. It's hard to take off if you have to reposition anything. However, to really make the adhesive stick and be permanent to the wall, you need to get a J roller, and this just has a little bit of weight to it, and it's just going to help us press the boards and really activate the adhesive as it sticks to the wall. So I'm just going to do this every 4 rows or something in sections to be sure that I don't miss a spot. Just get it stuck on there good. Let me show you really quick how to cut around an outlet. So these boards are nice and thin, and they're not thick enough that we need to do an extension box or anything on our outlet. We're able just to cut around it, put a new faceplate on, and that's all we need to do. This board, I'm going to just line it up and then mark with pencil where I need to cut a rectangle. you can just cut out the rectangle. It'll fit perfectly over your outlet, continuing the wood pattern that you've got going on. I'm going to try to score this with a knife first, and then grab my jigsaw if I need to get out any more of that section. This is how the wall turned out. I could not be more excited with how amazing this looks. If you are looking to get that rustic barnwood look on any wall in your home, check out Weekend Walls and their amazing product, because it's gorgeous. All the different colors, the texture that it brings to this room is fantastic. My son loves it, and now this room will take him into his tween years. So this is a great makeover. If you want to see how to build a headboard out of a door, check out this video here and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a thing. We'll see you next time.